guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I want to say hello and welcome to all the new viewers, and I hope you guys consider hitting the subscribe button down below right there and the notifications bell. And also I would really hope if we can get this video to 25 likes, because the more likes you have, the more YouTube will suggest this video to others. So if we can do that, I would be so grateful. All right, so we have the best part of budgeting, sorry, and that is, well, I guess you could say the second best part of budgeting. I would say the first one would probably be actually paying off debt, yes, and second would be stuffing cash envelopes. Now, I am not doing any sinking funds. Me and my family have stopped sinking funds for the time being to aggressively attack this debt. And I've been working on a debt update video. I actually filmed one and I didn't like the way it came out, so I'm going to be try to film another one. But let's go ahead and get right on into it. So we have household, eating out, piggies, money, groceries, gas allowance, and I even I believe I took $10 out to start adding to my nail fund. Now I have to find out what I did with that envelope, because that's not it. Because I took it out last week, but then I realized that I actually would want to do a pedicure. So I figured, you know, I could just put that in my nail fund. So I'll have to look for that in a minute. Oh, maybe I put it in here. Hold on. Because I still have my cash envelopes. Okay, maybe I did. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah, put it somewhere. Okay, so we have these, and I'll just set these up right here so we can go over them. And I do like to set up my money kind of like so. It reminds me of like a cash register. I think I'm gonna try to look into a cash register and be able to like pull out my money that way. When I was a kid, I loved having the cash register. I don't know about you guys, but I loved it. So that's what we have. That's what I think I want to do. Look into it, I think. You know, make it kind of cute and stuff like that. So let's see, what do we have here? So we have all of our ones. This is a really old one. Okay. Speaking of really old, I totally got, oh, I don't have it with me. I think I left it at work. But I totally got one of the old $5. Not like old timey ones. I think it was like from the 80s or something. Well, it can't be that old because I was born in the 80s, but you know what I mean, old money wise. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So nails is gonna be getting 10. Like I said, I do plan on being able to get a pedicure. I'm not really doing manicures right now. I've had to cut my nails down so short like this. I have to cut it because it's already nicked off right there, if you can see. And even here, even though it's cut short, they're just so brittle. Look right there, they're just so brittle, it's not even funny. This one came all the way down to the end, so yeah, I hate that. Okay, allowance is 20, and I am getting it in 5s. It worked out pretty good for me this week, because I spent a little bit less than $5, which kind of sucks almost every day for lunch at work. So that's been working out. I'm super happy that I decided to go that way. Gas, now we already put gas in, so I don't have any money to stuff in gas. Yeah, we put gas in because gas usually lasts us. We put it on Sunday, but it didn't last us Sunday because I went to Goldsboro, which is a good 20-minute drive from here. And then me and my husband took a trip to Clinton for him to try to get his driver license. And we went actually out for lunch. So yeah, that's why the gas did last. Those 2 trips to Goldsboro and to Clinton would have been our Friday, which is today, and Saturday's gas, and Sunday morning we would have been able to put gas in. But that's fine, it's no problem. Groceries will get its normal $120. Now this thing looks new. It's a 2013 series, but man, is that crispy. And so is this 20. Okay, so they get $120 for that. Now during this summer, I think I might redo my budget because my kid will be home, and she is only 12, but she's basically, you know, an adult because she eats like an adult, that is for sure. So you know, in a good way. My daughter Maddie, she gets $10. How much do we have in here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Might need to go and get her hair done. Okay, so there's that. And then our piggies get 5. There's a net. I actually need to take 15 out for my mom because she went and bought them hay, and we buy 2 bags, which is roughly close to $30. So I give half and she gives half because 1 guinea pig is mine and 1 guinea pig is hers. So even though I put the 5 in, I'm taking 15 out so that I can give to her when she gets home from work. Eating out gets 40. Household gets 8, so that's 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so I have $50 left. Well, am I missing something? Because we already put gas in. I gave my husband his allowance. And what? Let me see. I took this to the bank. So I had 620.
You know, I have to do a video and try to calculate, like, where is this money coming from? Where is it going? Because I'm telling you, like, I got all my cash envelopes accounted for, if I'm not mistaken, here. But yet, I still have $50 left. If anything, I'm just going to put it right back in the bank, so. Yeah, it is what it is. Oh, did I have someone else?
Oh, this is what I'm going to give to my mom. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to probably put the rest of this back in the bank. Household, eating out, groceries, gas, and allowance all go with me. And these 3 stay at home. Actually, I just put it right here inside that, and that is that. Okay, guys, well, that's all we have. Thank you so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Thank you so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, bye, guys.